One thing I've realized, Masoom, is 95% of the problems in all our lives are connected with money.
This was one of my core problems, right? That I'm generating a great income right now, but how can I ensure that this lasts me for a long time?
गुरु फिल्म में एक डायलॉग था अभिषेक बच्चन कि आपको लगता है कि मैं इतना अच्छा काम करता हूँ, मुझे मालूम है कि मैं इतना अच्छा काम करता हूँ, तो मैं आपके लिए क्यों करूँ, मैं खुद के लिए करूँगा. So rich people do business. बिजनेस से जो पैसा आता है उससे वो एसेट्स खरीदते हैं और एसेट्स से लाइफ लॉन्ग इनको इनकम आती है. एक दिन ऐसा आना चाहिए 10-15 साल हम काम करेंगे, उसके बाद अब मनी शुड वर्क फॉर अस. अरे सब लोग आपको फ्यूचर की प्लानिंग के बारे में बता रहे हैं. इफ यू आर नॉट एंजॉयिंग एंड लिविंग योर प्रेजेंट टुडे, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट?
People believe that wearing the money gives you confidence. And I've lived both lives. You know, I have spent for that first 5 years when I was earning money, I spent it all on myself or things I was buying for myself, and it did not make me happy. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I have a very ambitious goal with this episode.
Okay.
I spoke to you about this yesterday and I loved your reaction. But my goal with today's conversation is that I want to inspire 10,000 women to start their own SIPs after watching this episode.
No, it's a fabulous goal. I must say, it's a very ambitious, as you rightly said. It's not difficult. I can tell you. In fact, you know, I would like to know our viewers that this One Idiot movie, which is there on YouTube, it's a 30-minute movie, Masoom, that changed my life. It's such a simple thing, and today in last 15 years I would have shown to maybe 5 lakh people now. So SIP, as you rightly said, is systematic investment plan. It's basically every month we earn money, we save money. Why can't we invest that money? And all of us have some future goals, right? Retirement, a dream house, luxury car, to send our children to the best school, universities. But we need just right planning.
I want to actually simplify this entire process because sometimes you need that really simplified approach and language.
Okay.
And I have to tell everyone watching this that you have, it's your advice that has completely changed my life. It's been your guidance that has completely changed my life personally. So I'm very excited for for today's episode because you are my personal wealth manager, right? I don't think I've brought in an expert. I've brought in someone that I have been working with alongside, I think, for the last 4 or 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, 5 years now. And one is that I think I've gained financial independence. But the second thing is that, you know, over and above building that wealth, right, or looking at it from a money perspective, you have explained things to me extremely well to a point where I feel very confident about my money.
Okay.
I feel very secure and I feel very abundant as well. You know, I don't feel the lack of it, which I think I really, really did before because I didn't have the answers to any questions. And I feel like when you don't know too much, you just shut it off. You know, you don't open that door only because you're like, if I open this, then I'll have to deal with so many questions and so many doubts in my own head that I don't want to deal with right now. So it was very exciting to have you, and I really hope that the conversations that we've had over the years, we can kind of share a little bit of that and see how that can inspire others as well.
No, it is. See, basically, you know, what I've realized is most of us think finance is very complicated.
Yeah.
Right? But one thing I've realized, Masoom, is 95% of the problems in all our lives are connected with money. 95% of the problems, you know, ये घर ले, वो घर ले, budget, गाड़ी का budget, holiday का budget. So what we believe is that if you can do it the right way, 15-20 साल बाद आपको पैसे के लिए कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आनी चाहिए. So that's the problem. You know, when I started this my firm, I said ये problem life में नहीं आने देंगे investors की. I may not be able to solve your health issues or relationship issues,
but this is something that's solvable.
This is solvable. So right when you said कि, you know, आप जब भी आपके पास दिमाग में queries आते थे, when you had these questions, you don't know whom to ask. And internet, you can go and search questions, but you will end up getting more questions. You don't get right answers, and when there will be answers, there will be plenty of answers. You don't know which answers to trust. right? So, and even all these podcasts, generally we have seen this is one way communication. आप और मैं जो conversation कर रहे हैं, it is one way, but they might have follow-up questions and they don't know who to ask after that.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
that is when you need someone, a personal advisor, right? To say your personal wealth manager, who you can ask your kind of questions, right? Because each person is unique, your requirements are unique, your problems are unique.
Yeah.
The same, what you are expecting, your husband might be expecting something different, right? And हमारे conversations हुए हैं, आपकी wavelength मेरे साथ और आपकी husband की अलग अलग होती है,
Yeah.
right? तो as a wealth manager मुझे आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. It's very
So what did you understand? What did I come to you? Right? Let's go back to that conversation. What did I come to you and say?
So I think you came to me with a statement saying that I'm earning decent amount of money, right? But I don't know whether this is enough for me. You know, after 10 years, when I have children, घर खरीदना है, you're so ambitious और आपके इतने goals हैं, पर आपको कभी पता नहीं था कि do I have enough? और कल को ये see the kind of work you are engaged in is very rapidly changing. मुझे अच्छे से याद है, आप बोले कि मुझे पता नहीं है 5 साल बाद मैं जो आज कर रही हूँ इतनी successful है, would I be still the same?
Yeah.
And that scares you a lot.
Absolutely.
You know, the changes that's happening in this.
Yeah, I'm in a very dynamic industry, right?
Correct.
So there is that, and you know, it's almost like you could feel very abundant about something, about any topic in your life, but there will always be people that come to you and say, okay, obviously you will not do this 5 years from now. Or, you know, what is your next step? Have you thought of building another business? Because obviously this will not last forever. And that is when the lack comes in. That's when you feel like, oh, it's not enough. Or the doubt creeps in.
Yes.
The doubt, at least for me personally, it's never self-inflicted. It's always been interpreted from the outside and the things you hear.
Correct.
And that's what I came to when I said that, you know, this was one of my core problems, right? That I'm generating a great income right now, but how can I ensure that this lasts me for a long time,
Exactly.
right? What can I do with it that it lasts me for a long time? That was one. Secondly, I came to when I was almost around 26 years old, and I've been earning from the time I was 18.
18.
But at 26, I still felt like I had not built any wealth. And it was quite a bit of time. You know, it was also, I'm not, you know, in all honesty, have not come from a structure where I needed the money for my living, right? My living expenses have been taken care of. Even though I've been financially independent, my living expenses have been taken care of. So where has that money gone? And how do you keep it? You almost feel like, ये पैसा कहाँ चला गया?
बिल्कुल.
You know, you don't have any sense or any track of it.
Correct.
And that's kind of what I came to you with.
So हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? We said personal finance is simple, but not easy. You know, this is how you have to do. But to do it for 20 years on our own without any external help, it's very difficult. Because there will be a lot of times when you'll have question marks and you don't know who to ask. See, क्या होता है? One thing we have to understand. You said you started at the age of 18. Until 26, you saved a lot of money. Made a lot of money, but you didn't know where it went.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, exactly.
Now, what? And you said कि हमेशा एक डर लगता है कि आगे जाके ये सेम काम रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा, ये सेम इनकम रहेगी कि नहीं रहेगी. But lifestyle तो हमने ये बना लिया. What happens to this now? So one thing which we tell, and a lot of viewers who will be watching, at 18, 19, 20, our human life value, okay? Human capital is very high. This is here. We have very low financial capital. You agree with this?
Absolutely.
You know, आप बहुत पैसा बना सकते हो क्योंकि आपके पास स्किल्स हैं, आपके पास टैलेंट है, हार्ड वर्किंग है, बट फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल नहीं है. धीरे धीरे आने वाले टाइम पे आपकी ह्यूमन कैपिटल डाउन होती रहेगी. एट 45, यू नो, आपको लगेगा कि यार यू हैव लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन फ्रॉम यंगस्टर्स, यू आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज द ट्रेंड्स. जैसे आज मुझे इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक यू नो, माई डॉटर टेल्स मी, डैड यू डोंट नो इंस्टाग्राम, द होल वर्ल्ड इज आउट देयर, राइट? बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू लर्न. सो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम योर ह्यूमन कैपिटल विल स्टार्ट गोइंग डाउन. But if you've not built your financial capital, अगर वो नहीं जा रही है, you'll have problem. At some stage, your financial capital should overtake your human capital. By the time I'm 60, 65, my human capital will be very low. But अगर मैंने financial capital बना लिया है, तो मुझे टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Human capital gives you active income. You agree?
Correct.
Financial capital will give you passive income. तो जिस दिन passive income आपकी active income से ज़्यादा हो गई, you'll have no stress in life.
So when you say financial capital, you're talking about your
Assets.
assets or not your job.
No.
But जो आपने already कमा लिया है, what comes from that?
वो तो जो आपने कमाया वो सेविंग्स से एसेट्स बन गए, राइट?
Okay.
अब वो एसेट्स आपके लिए काम करना शुरू करेंगे.
Yeah, so you always say this thing to me, right? And it's very interesting that your money should always work for you.
Precisely. You can decide when do you want to work, how long you want to work, because your money is working for you 24/7.
What does this concept mean?
So it's very simple. हम मंडे से सैटरडे काम करते हैं सुबह 7 से रात को 7 बजे तक, राइट? जब तक हम काम कर रहे हैं तब तक पैसा मिल रहा है. So I always give this example of Dr. Naresh Trehan. He's a super cardiac surgeon, one of the best cardiac surgeons in India. अगर वो एक सर्जरी करते हैं तो 5 लाख 10 लाख रुपए चार्ज करते हैं. 1 कार्डियक सर्जरी 10 लाख. तो अगर दिन में 10 सर्जरी करेंगे तो 1 करोड़ बनाएंगे. 30 दिन करेंगे तो 30 करोड़ बनाएंगे. 15 दिन की छुट्टी पे अगर हॉलीडे पे गए तो 1 रुपया भी नहीं कमाएंगे क्योंकि इज नॉट वर्किंग, राइट? बट अब उन्होंने क्या किया है, उसी का हॉस्पिटल कंपनी बना लिया है. इट इज लिस्टेड and he has 200 doctors working for him. So even he's going on holiday. He has a team of doctors. He has a practice which is working for him. So in your online world, let me give you an example. आप सो रहे हो but you are very popular on Instagram. People are watching your reels. People are watching your stories. You are earning money while you are sleeping, right? But इसके लिए आपको अभी content बनाते रहना पड़ेगा. But the day you have to come कि your assets that you have invested, they are working for you 24/7.
How can they work for me?
सिंपल. जैसे आपने रियल एस्टेट खरीदा, एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ, आपने उसको रेंट पे लगा दिया. इट इज वर्किंग फॉर यू. यू कैन बी ऑन हॉलीडे. आपने स्टॉक्स खरीदे, एक्विटीज खरीदी, अच्छे शेयर्स में इन्वेस्ट किए, उससे डिविडेंड इनकम आ रही है, दैट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू. आपने बैंक में एफडी किया, 1 करोड़ की एफडी की 7% आ रहा है, इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू. सो देयर आर फाइनली रिच डैड पुअर डैड कहते हैं 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं, पुअर, मिडिल क्लास एंड रिच. पुअर पीपल हैव अ जॉब और वो उनके लाइफ में कभी सेविंग्स बचती नहीं है, तो इनकम कमाए, खर्चा किया, बस वही पूरी जिंदगी उसी में चली जाती है. देन मिडिल क्लास विच इज वेयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड बी. हम इनकम कमाते हैं पर हम क्या करते हैं, उस इनकम जो आज हमने कमाई है उसके बेसिस पे हम बहुत बड़ी लाइबिलिटी ले लेते हैं. एट 20 to 24 आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो 3 करोड़ 5 करोड़ के घर खरीद लेंगे और फिर जिंदगी भर ईएमआई देंगे. तो आप किसके लिए काम करो? आप बैंक के लिए काम करो. आपको लगता है ये घर मेरा हो गया, मासूम 25 साल तक तो ये बैंक का घर है जब तक आप पूरी किस्त चुका नहीं देते हो. वो टाइटल आपकी नहीं है. और सोचो कभी आपकी इनकम बंद हो गई तो आप घर की ईएमआई कैसे भरोगे? तो यू आर वर्किंग फॉर अ बैंक, यू आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. वो लाइबिलिटी है. रिच लोग क्या करते हैं? व्हाट डू रिच पीपल डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दे डोंट डू जॉब्स,
They do businesses.
दे डू बिजनेस. गुरु फिल्म में एक डायलॉग था अभिषेक बच्चन कि आपको लगता है कि मैं इतना अच्छा काम करता हूँ, मुझे मालूम है कि मैं इतना अच्छा काम करता हूँ, तो मैं आपके लिए क्यों करूँ, मैं खुद के लिए करूँगा. दैट्स व्हेन आई क्विट माय जॉब इन लंदन. 1 करोड़ की इनकम कमा रहा था. आई सेड नो, इफ आई बिलीव इन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, लेट मी डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई केम फ्रॉम लंदन टू इंडिया टू बॉम्बे एंड दैट वाज द बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ माई लाइफ. टुडे वी हैव अ टीम ऑफ 40 people and managing money for 10,000 investors, right? And and of course money is one part of what I'm doing, but because you love it, right? Because you're making changes in so many people life, तो पैसा तो बन ही जाएगा. So business में there is no limit. The beauty when you're doing business, there is no limit to what you are. When you're doing salary, you will have a limit and it is always incremental growth. But business में there is no incremental this thing, it can be exponential. So rich people do business. वो बिजनेस से जो पैसा आता है उससे वो एसेट्स खरीदते हैं और एसेट्स से लाइफ लॉन्ग इनको इनकम आती है. इफ समवन कैन फिट दिस फॉर्मूला इनसाइड कि एक दिन ऐसा आना चाहिए 10-15 साल हम काम करेंगे, उसके बाद अब मनी शुड
Work
work
for that.
for us. That's very important.
So, if I come to you and I say that, I have my salary 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees a month. How do I plan for the future? What should I do? What should what would you recommend?
बहुत सिंपल है. First thing, so we always say personal finance is personal first, finance later. इसीलिए वर्ड पर्सनल फाइनेंस है. तो जो आपके लिए है वो किसी और के लिए बहुत अलग होगा. सो फॉर अस द आइडिया इज कि आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चन कि मासूम, सपोज आज आपके पास सारे पैसे होते, बहुत सारे पैसे होते, और आपको काम नहीं करना पड़ता, हाउ वुड यू बी लिविंग योर लाइफ टुडे? Believe me, the answer that you would give me will be very different from what you're doing today. Maybe in 90% of the cases, maybe you say, Gajendra, I'll do the same because I love this. But for 90% of the people, the
That's
answer will
so
be very different. Right? आज वो सो आप बहुत लोगों से मिलते हैं. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा स्टैटिस्टिक बताता हूँ. 80-90% of the people who are in jobs, they're not doing the jobs because they love. They're doing the jobs because they have to. घर चलाना है, राइट? EMI पे करनी है, बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. तो देन आई एम थ्रोइंग ए क्वेश्चन कि आपके पास बहुत पैसा, अनलिमिटेड पैसा है, व्हाट यू विल डू डिफरेंट? विल से आई विल स्टॉप ऑल दिस, मैं गोवा चली जाऊंगी, वहाँ एक विला खरीदूंगी और वहाँ पे ये करूंगी. सो बट मनी इज a limiting factor right now. So for me, the idea is to find out those things from you first.
What is that problem question?
What is that problem question? Why have you come to me? Right? You have not come to me for higher returns. You have not come to me to make you rich quickly. You have come to me, Gajendra, ये मेरी लाइफ की बकेट लिस्ट है, ये मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, राइट? सो दैट इज देयर. सो लेट्स से आपके 3-4 गोल पता चल गए, सब कुछ पता चल गया. देन the first thing we always tell is, have you insured yourself first? So suppose if you are the breadwinner in the family and children are dependent on you, parents are dependent on you, first thing you have to do is, have you covered yourself? See, आज आप मैं ये शो कर पा रहे हैं, I told you about human capital. Your human capital is very high right now. But अगर कल को कुछ हो जाता है मुझे, तो फिर क्या?
So
Right?
first is insurance.
First is life insurance. 1 करोड़ का, 2 करोड़ का, 5 करोड़ का, एंड इट इज वेरी चीप. 15,000 20,000 रुपये एनुअल प्रीमियम हम लो. सो टुडे आई विल गिव यू माय एग्जांपल. आई हैव 8 करोड़ इंश्योरेंस कवर, राइट? मुझे अगर कुछ हो जाता है, माय वाइफ गेट्स 8 करोड़. आई हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन. तो आई एम सो पीसफुल. सपोज इफ शी डजंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट पर्सनल फाइनेंस, वो 8 करोड़ को बैंक में जाके एफडी कर देती है. 7% एफडी का रेट मिलता है. 56 lakhs शी विल गेट फॉर 10-15 years. 56 lakhs डिवाइडेड बाय 12 months मतलब 4-5 लाख रुपए महीने के. तो बॉम्बे जैसी जगह में आप आराम से निकाल सकते हो. लुक एट द पीस ऑफ माइंड. सो वी डोंट नो व्हाट कैन हैपन टू मी टुमारो. सो द फर्स्ट इज टर्म इंश्योरेंस. सेकंड इज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. कोविड में वी सॉ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गेटिंग हॉस्पिटलाइज, 5 लाख 10 लाख का खर्चा. सो जैसे मेरी फैमिली है, वी आर फुल्ली कवर्ड. कुछ भी हुआ फॉर 15 days इवन इन हॉस्पिटल, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट मनी. Now, why I'm saying first term and second health, because these are unforeseen circumstances. ये आपकी लाइफ कभी भी डिसरप्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो अगर आपने इनके लिए प्लानिंग नहीं की और आपने सेविंग किया, तो आपको सेविंग तोड़ना भी पड़ सकता है. डू यू रियली वांट टू ब्रेक योर सेविंग्स फॉर दीज अनफोर्सिन? दैट्स व्हाई हैव एडिक्वेट कवर. वंस यू हैव डन टर्म फर्स्ट, हेल्थ सेकंड, देन मेक श्योर यू डोंट हैव एनी लायबिलिटीज,
Which is a loan.
which is a loan. Home loan may be a good loan, जहाँ पे 8-9% लगता है, बट देयर आर पीपल हु हैव टेकन 15% लोन, 18% लोन, राइट? तो अगर वो लोन चल रहा है एक तरफ, आप दूसरी तरफ इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो एंड यू अर्निंग 12%, इट डजंट मेक सेंस. फर्स्ट क्लियर ऑफ दोज लोन्स, राइट? सो होम एंड कार और एजुकेशन लोन इज अ गुड लोन, बट एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड 10-12%, प्लीज ट्राई टू क्लियर दैट ऑफ फर्स्ट. वो अगर आपने क्लियर कर लिया, द थर्ड थिंग, सो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज इंश्योरेंस, सेकंड थिंग वाज क्लियरिंग ऑफ द लायबिलिटीज, थर्ड थिंग वेरी सिंपल मासूम, create a 12-month emergency fund.
Okay.
Right? You are doing business, I'm into business. We don't know, COVID जैसा आया, suddenly everything came to a standstill. 10 महीना इनकम नहीं है, 12 महीना इनकम नहीं है, बट आपके खर्चे तो रहेंगे. सो 12 months ऑफ योर मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर आप उसको इमरजेंसी फंड में रखो. सडन कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट आ गई हॉस्पिटल,
तो क्या, you should just keep that in your bank?
नो, जनरली बैंक में नहीं रखना चाहिए. अगर बैंक में भी रखते हो तो उसकी एफडी कर दो. ये तो बिकॉज द मनी विच यू सी इन सेविंग्स अकाउंट यू माइट स्पेंड. एफडी रहेगी तो आपको पता है, सपोज आपका 50,000 मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर है, 6 लाख की एफडी बना के रख दो. मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं लिक्विड फंड में डाल के रखता हूँ. वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, वो एक सिंपल म्यूचुअल फंड होता है, बट वो पैसा अलग हो जाना चाहिए. हर गोल के हिसाब से आपका अलग बकेट होना चाहिए. तो इमरजेंसी फंड आपने दे दिया. उसके बाद शॉर्ट टर्म अगर आपके कोई गोल्स हैं, 1 साल 2 साल में वेकेशन, नया आईफोन खरीदना, 12 महीने घूमने जाना, कुछ भी, तो वो 1-2 साल 3 साल वाले गोल्स की लिस्ट बनाओ और उसकी प्लानिंग करो. एंड देन प्लान फॉर लॉन्ग गोल्स लाइक रिटायरमेंट, चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन, घर खरीदना, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा.
So I want to talk about my personal
Yeah.
experience here, right? That when I came to you, you told me all of this, but I found it very daunting, right? मुझे लगा कि there are still so many steps before I can actually start investing. And I didn't want to delay this further because I'd been earning for so long. If I had started earning at 25 and come to you at 26, I would have been like, yeah, I'll sort all this out, फिर मैं start करती हूँ. But I think for me, what really was the game changer is that when I came to meet you, I said, I'm going to start my SIP right now, right? And I want to talk about what an SIP is because even I didn't understand it at that point. But for example, I didn't take my life insurance immediately.
Correct.
Medical insurance, my family had already taken care of for me, so luckily I was privileged enough that was taken care of, so I didn't have to look into that.
Correct.
I heard your concept of after insurance क्या आया था? Emergency fund.
Emergency fund.
I heard your concept of emergency fund, and the way I applied it is that in my account, I'll keep some cash available. But I was so motivated, right? Because I think when you're younger, you're more focused on how do I make money?
Maximize it.
How do I maximize it? And you're
Yes.
not so concerned about के emergency आ जाएगी या there will be a medical emergency that will come or something terrible could happen.
Correct.
You want to focus on what can I build,
Yes.
and you want to focus on simply how do I create more wealth and how do I create more money. And what I did is I skipped a few steps, okay? And maybe it was the wrong thing.
Correct.
Maybe it was the wrong thing, but I skipped a few steps and I started the SIP.
Correct.
But for me, what worked beautifully is because I started the SIP and I started seeing the returns. It actually helped me go back to step 1, 2, and 3 in a matter of time. So if you remember when you came to Antwerp,
Yes.
that is when we discussed the life insurance.
I know.
So, I want to share that it's not always कि A के बाद B के बाद C के बाद D. Right? Sometimes you do whatever you're most inclined towards or passionate towards. And once I had my SIPs going, 1 year later I came back saying, now I feel like I have a little bit of money that's working for me, which is invested, which is getting returns.
Correct.
Now I don't mind कि मैं life insurance ले लूँ because now I have a better understanding. I feel like when you don't have an understanding, जब आपको firstly SIP का मतलब ही नहीं पता है, right? I didn't even know the full format to typed out on Google के SIP means systematic investment planning. But if I don't know what SIP means, first let me figure that out versus trying to figure out what is SIP, what is insurance, what is life insurance, medical insurance, what is an emergency fund, then figuring out which bank will give me best return, best FD. So I think it gets very overwhelming.
Correct.
So what worked for me is actually starting with the SIP and then moving backwards. But of course, see, it's personal.
It's very personal.
Yeah.
And see, you were lucky, as you said, you were privileged because when you came to me, you had no dependence on you, I remember. Right?
Absolutely.
Your husband was independent, your parents were independent, you
Yes.
didn't have children at that point of time.
Yes.
तो आपके ऊपर कोई डिपेंडेंट नहीं था, तो इसके लिए आपका टर्म इंश्योरेंस नहीं है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Correct.
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस यू सेड कि फैमिली ने टेक केयर कर लिया था, बट सपोज इफ समवन लाइक इफ आई कम टू यू टुमारो, आई से आई हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन एंड यू आर माय फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर, मैं भले ही आऊँगा आपके पास कि मुझे SIP करनी है, सब कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी करनी है, बट यू वुड गाइड मी, गजेंद्र, यू हैव 2 चिल्ड्रन हु आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू. SIP आप 6 महीना बात करोगे ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 6 महीने का रिटर्न नहीं बनेगा. व्हाट इफ यू डोंट वेक अप टुमारो मॉर्निंग? Right?
Yes. So where you are in your life cycle also makes a
Precisely.
huge difference.
That is why I need to understand you very well. Because I knew, I mean, from where you're coming from, I said, ठीक है, आपको SIP करनी है, कर सकते हैं, because all these things are not so much of a requirement right now. But generally, because I lost my brother at 21, cousin brother, 21, he was the only son to my uncle, and he passed away in a bike accident. पूरी जिंदगी भर पेरेंट्स ने उन पे इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, खर्चा किया. अब टाइम आया वो बच्चे का कि फैमिली को हेल्प करे, पेरेंट्स को, एंड सडनली
He was no more.
ही इज नो मोर. तो दैट इज व्हाई वी सेड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस फर्स्ट, टर्म इंश्योरेंस फर्स्ट. टर्म और हेल्थ आपका हो गया ना सॉर्टेड, तो फिर कल को कुछ भी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी आया, यू डोंट हैव टू डिप इन फ्रॉम योर रिजर्व्स. वरना आपने SIP शुरू की, 1 साल पैसा गया और अचानक आपको जरूरत पड़ी, आपने सारा तोड़ दिया. यू रिमेंबर आपने जब SIP शुरू की, उसके 3 महीने बाद 4 महीने बाद कोविड आ गया था.
Yes.
And if you needed that money for even for emergency fund or for medical, you will get 30% down than what you you invested. तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस हमेशा के लिए खराब हो जाता है कि मैंने डाला पैसा और टूट गया.
Yeah.
Luckily you didn't have to dip in money. आप डालते गए, 1 साल बाद जब आपको रिटर्न्स अच्छा दिखा, you had huge confidence on this concept and you kept on building from there. इसीलिए in 3-4-5 years you reach a massive corpus.
So what is an SIP, right? Let's kind of really simplify it. SIP is systematic investment planning, and it means that you have one amount
Yes,
which you commit to every month,
correct.
and that goes in the stock market.
That goes in the stock market. No,
So how is it different from a stock?
simple है. See, generally हम क्या करते हैं? We earn money, we spend money, then we save money. This is not a good way. I was doing this till 30. जो आप 26 तक कर रहे थे, 18 to 26, this is what you were doing. You were earning money, you were spending money. बचा तो save हो गया या you not even had
Correct.
idea. At 30, I started कि no, I need to, if I'm earning money, 20% I need to save it. So 1 लाख मैं अगर कमा रहा हूँ, तो 20,000 अगले दिन मेरे अकाउंट से चले जाना चाहिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाना चाहिए. बाकी 80,000 I'll spend. Then I'll have no guilt in my mind. Is this resonating with you? Simple. You earn money, you know how much you're earning money. You keep aside 20 or 30%. And then you think, नहीं मेरा earning इतना ही है, 70%.
But this is a very difficult shift
Why?
because we are used to, I don't know, we are just mentally trained कि first you make the money,
Correct.
then you spend what you want. फिर जो बचा है,
हाँ.
then let's think about what to do with that.
बट जो बचा है ना, उस पर आपका कंट्रोल नहीं रहेगा, बिकॉज हर महीना सेम बचत नहीं रहेगी. कई महीना आपने ओवर स्पेंड कर दिया, तो आपके पास सेविंग ही नहीं है. तो दैट्स नॉट द राइट वे. फर्स्ट इज 20%, 10%, 30%, डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर कंफर्ट फैक्टर, यू कीप इट असाइड. आप सोचो मत ना मेरे पास इतना है, आप सोचो मेरे पास इतना ही है. मैंने 1 लाख नहीं, मैंने इस महीने 70,000 ही कमाए हैं.
So I plan my life accordingly.
यू प्लान, और फिर 70,000 पूरे हैं खर्च करने को. बिलीव मी, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि 30,000 आपने डाल दिया है आपके फ्यूचर के लिए. तो दैट इज द बेस्ट वे. तो SIP क्या करता है, वो 30,000 को ऑटोमेट कर देता है हर मंथ. 1 तारीख को आपकी इनकम आई, 2 तारीख को वो SIP में निकल गई. अब SIP हो तो गया सिस्टमेटिक, बट आपको इन्वेस्ट कहाँ करना है? आपके पास ऑप्शन है. आप गोल्ड में भी कर सकते हैं, आप FD भी कर सकते हैं उसकी, जिसको हम रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट बोलते हैं, या आप इक्विटीज में भी डाल सकते हो. 3 मेजर एसेट क्लासेस हैं: इक्विटीज, गोल्ड एंड बॉन्ड्स, जिसको हम FD बोलते हैं. तो जब आप बैंक में जाके FD करते हो, उसको आप रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट बोलते हो, वो भी SIP है. आप सेम चीज गोल्ड में भी हर मंथ बाई कर सकते हैं, गोल्ड ETF आते हैं. बट अगर आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में ज़्यादा वेल्थ बनानी है, तो इक्विटी फंड्स में आपको SIP करनी चाहिए.
Okay.
मेरे सारे फंड्स इक्विटी फंड्स हैं, आपके सारे फंड्स जो हमने किए हैं वो सारे इक्विटी फंड्स थे, बिकॉज हमें पैसा 5-10 साल बाद चाहिए. We don't need
Mutual
money.
funds.
Mutual funds. You can do SIPs in stocks also. आप हर महीने you can buy a stock of, let's say, Hindustan Limited,
Unilever, yeah.
Unilever, Tata Motors. You can do, but you don't have time. You don't know which company to buy. There are 8,000 companies. आपको पता नहीं है TCS खरीदूं कि Infosys खरीदूं. They are two similar companies, right? आपको लगेगा both are multinational, both are big names, but you don't know because हमने research नहीं किया है. When you invest in mutual fund, उसमें आप SIP करते हो, तो उसमें you are buying 50 companies का portfolio. It's a basket, and there is a professional fund manager who is guiding you, and there is a wealth manager who understands your requirement and then giving you right fund कि आपका किस में सबसे ज़्यादा wealth बनेगा. Because हमारा काम यही है कि कौन से अच्छे फंड्स हैं
Yes.
जो आपके
yes.
लिए सही है. तो you, and it becomes automatic. So I started with 10,000 SIP in 2010, और मैं हर साल SIP बढ़ाते गया. उसको बोलते हैं स्टेप अप SIP.
और आप कौन सी SIP कर रहे हो?
सो मेरे सारे SIP इक्विटी फंड्स में जाती है मासूम.
Okay.
बिकॉज मुझे अब समझ में आ गया कि वेल्थ यहाँ से बनती है. मुझे 10-15 साल 20 साल तक पैसा चाहिए नहीं, और अगर मैं 12 to 15% रिटर्न्स बना लूँ ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दिस इज मैसिव. बिकॉज FD में आप करते हो 7% रिटर्न मिलता है, गोल्ड में आप डालते हो 9% रिटर्न मिलता है, रियल एस्टेट में जो लोग समझते हैं कि उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा रिटर्न मिलता है, उसमें भी नॉट मोर देन 8 to 10% रिटर्न. Equities world over gives you the maximum wealth. I always ask people, just pull out Forbes 1,000 richest men and women in India, in the world. Almost all 1,000 men and women are rich because of the businesses or equities. Nobody is a scientist, sports person, actor. क्योंकि इन सारी चीज़ों में आपने यू हैव मेड मनी बाय सेलिंग योर टाइम, राइट? यू एग्री?
Absolutely.
Sports person, Sachin
Yes.
Tendulkar, you can never become wealthy by selling your time because all of us have very limited time. You have to have a business which makes money for you.
So
So if you
how is this a business?
so when you are investing in mutual funds, you are partnering Mukesh Ambani, you are partnering Tata Group, Birla Group, Uday Kotak is working for you. आपने कोटक बैंक के इन्वेस्टर है, HDFC बैंक इज वर्किंग फॉर यू, आप उनके शेयर होल्डर्स बन गए, सो दे आर वर्किंग फॉर यू 24/7. आपको मैं जस्ट एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. सो यू गो टू HDFC बैंक और ICICI बैंक एंड यू डू एन FD, यू गेट 7%. अगर आप उनके ओनर होते, आपके पास शेयर्स होते 25 साल से, यू मेड 20% कंपाउंडेड रिटर्न फॉर द लास्ट 20 years. सोचो, मैं सो इफ यू कम टू माई बैंक, लेट्स से आई एम द ओनर ऑफ HDFC बैंक, आप मेरे बैंक में आते हैं, आप कहते हैं गजेंद्र आई वांट टू डू 10 लाख FD, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी because you are giving me money at 7%, I'm giving you return of 7%, I'll be using this money and lend it to others at 10, 11, 12%. तो जो बीच की मलाई है, जो बीच का गैप है, that is my profit. And that is why my stock prices have gone in the last 20 years by 20% per annum. So while a shareholder is earning 20%, the deposit holder is only earning 7%. You know why? Because आप रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहते थे, मैंने रिस्क लिया. मेरा जो 20% है कोई गारंटेड रिटर्न नहीं है, आपका गारंटेड है, बट द प्राइस दैट यू पे फॉर गारंटी इज वेरी हाई, which is what people don't realize. And many times what you are earning 7% is less than inflation.
So would you say mutual funds are risky?
Mutual funds, low risk वाले भी आते हैं, high risk वाले भी आते हैं. Mutual funds can give you 6-7% return also. Mutual fund can give you 15-18% return also. It depends on who you are and what kind of returns you're looking for. If your money for short term, go for safe funds like liquid funds, which I said, emergency fund. Just park in a liquid fund wherein you can earn 6 to 7% return, right? But if you are looking for 10-15 years, you can park in aggressive funds wherein you can earn 12 to 15% return.
So what you did for me and explained to me really well is, I remember we sat down and chalked out what are our goals, right? Like Sheldon and my goals as a couple and as a family, what are our goals, short term and long term. So we can accordingly see what we need to build for, and then should we go for low risk? Do we need the money immediately? Or do we want more high risk? Okay, we are sure that we want to put this, say, for 10-15 years, for our children's education, for example, when they turn 18, we need it.
Yes.
We want to buy a home, so that's something that we want to kind of save for. And then you are able to
choose the funds
Funds.
accordingly for the. See, first thing is, one thing you asked me question, is mutual fund risky? Mutual funds are volatile, but permanent loss of capital never happens in mutual funds. So there's a difference between permanent.
But how is that possible? Because stocks में तो हो सकता है.
स्टॉक्स में हो सकता है, आपने सारा पैसा सिंगल स्टॉक में डाला या 2-3 स्टॉक में डाला और वो सब जीरो हो गए. म्यूचुअल फंड्स में योर मनी गोज इन 50 डिफरेंट कंपनीज, वो 50 कंपनीज का बास्केट जीरो नहीं हो सकता है.
So are you choosing like mutual funds category wise होता है?
कैटेगरी वाइज होते हैं. सो बेसिकली
So like tech.
टेक सेक्टर हो गया, फार्मा सेक्टर हो गया,
Okay.
राइट?
तो आपने पूरा फार्मा का ही म्यूचुअल फंड खरीद लिया, तो उसमें 50 फार्मा कंपनीज है.
50 फार्मा कंपनी सपोज.
इंडियाज बेस्ट.
हाँ, इंडियाज बेस्ट 50 फार्मा कंपनीज.
ओके.
नाउ जनरली हम लोग ये नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज फार्मा इज वन सेक्टर. अगर आपका सारा पैसा एक सेक्टर में डाल दिया, जीरो नहीं होगा पैसा, क्योंकि फार्मा कभी जीरो नहीं हो सकता है. बट आपका बहुत टाइम तक अगर फार्मा नहीं चला तो आपका नहीं चलेगा. सो व्हाट वी जनरली डू इज आपका पैसा डाइवर्सिफाइड फंड में डाले हैं. सो उसमें फार्मा भी है, उसमें ऑटो भी है, उसमें एयरलाइंस भी है, उसमें सब है. सी, जब हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड बैलेंस थाली. एक थाली में सब कुछ आते हैं, चपाती, सब्जी, दही. आप नो मैटर हाउ मच स्वीट टूथ यू में हैव, आपका पूरा मील मिठाइयों से नहीं होता है. आपको पापड़ भी चाहिए, आपको सब कुछ चाहिए, पिकल भी चाहिए. तो आपके पोर्टफोलियो में भी सब कुछ होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कभी क्या चलेगा. और आप सब कुछ रखते हो तो आपका एक नॉर्मली 12% रिटर्न आ जाता है. जो मैं इंडेक्स की बात बता रहा था आपको, इट इज नथिंग बट अ बास्केट ऑफ 50 बेस्ट कंपनीज ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स. अगर आपको दिमाग नहीं लगाना है ना, मैं सिंपल बोलता हूँ, आप एक इंडेक्स इक्विटी फंड में SIP कर दो. सी, आपके लिए मैं एडवाइजर हूँ, आप मुझे कभी भी फोन कर सकते हो, एनी टाइम, राइट? एनी डाउट. बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ आवर व्यूअर्स हु मे नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू एडवाइजर.
या एग्जैक्टली.
तो वो कैसे करेंगे आप बताओ? तो उनके लिए सिंपल चीज़ है, आप एक इंडेक्स फंड में डाल दो, जो इंडेक्स का रिटर्न आएगा वही आपका आएगा। इंडेक्स 13 दिया तो आपका 13 आएगा, इंडेक्स 15 दिया तो आपका 15 आएगा।
And index means what, right? मुझे और simplify कर.
और सिंप्लीफाई करूँ, सो इंडिया की बेस्ट 50 कंपनीज हैं,
Is your,
राइट? सो रिलायंस,
can you name some of the companies?
रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज हो गए,
Tata,
टाटा हो गए, टाटा मोटर्स,
Tata.
TCS, टाटा पावर, HDFC बैंक, ICICI बैंक, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, ये बैंकिंग से आ गए, राइट? देन सो हमने फार्मा कंपनी, सन फार्मा हो गए, डॉक्टर रेड्डीज हो गए। तो ये सब अलग अलग सेक्टर्स की मिला के इंडिया की बेस्ट 50 कंपनीज बाय साइज। रिलायंस आज के डेट में सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है, उसके बाद वट एवर HDFC बैंक और SBI और TCS। तो ये जो बेस्ट 50 कंपनीज का मैंने आपको बास्केट दे दिया,
And this is called the index.
दिस इज कॉल्ड द इंडेक्स। अब मैं आपको एक और सिंपल और लेमन टर्म में बताता हूँ। सपोज यही आपके पास प्रॉपर्टीज का इंडेक्स, प्रॉपर्टीज का बास्केट होता, यू आर ओनर 50 बेस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज इन बॉम्बे, आपके पास कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज साउथ बॉम्बे में है, कुछ दादर के आसपास है, कुछ बोरीवली में है,
So you're more, yeah, you're diversified.
यू आर डाइवर्सिफाइड।
Okay, so suppose there is a layman, laywoman who wants to invest in the index, right? So this is basically like a betting on India.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You're not betting on one sector, you're not betting on one fund manager, you're betting on India. If India do well, you will do well.
So if you believe in the country's economy,
You believe in the country. So all my money practically, and even when we invested, all our money was in India.
absolutely.
Because for next 10-20 years,
Yeah.
you could see the vibe.
No, I'm very bullish on
Same here.
On India
The reason
econ-
why I came to India and doing this, I can see, because see, we all have traveled the world. India is right now down on all parameters, like average number of cars per family, air conditioners, everything. So हम खाली यहाँ से ऊपर ही जा सकते हैं. We can't go further down. Number of McDonald's restaurants versus population, electricity consumption, number of people traveling by airlines. How many people in our country have passports? Not more than 7-8%. Can you imagine?
what that growth can be. What
Growth
that
can be. तो इंडिया ऊपर ही जाना है. जब इंडिया ऊपर जाएगा, who will earn money? The entrepreneurs, business owners. तो can I be the owners of these businesses? How can I be the owners? Through equities or mutual funds. Equities में because you need
Or you start the business.
but वो इतना easy नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
It's
But
not-
this is a very easy.
And you know what? Business, when you start a business, 90% business fails. 10% only. How many Masums are there in the world in your field, right? The answer is, it's even in my field also. If we have 100 advisors, 10 advisors do very well, 90% will not do as well. So the next best thing what you can do is invest in those businesses. Then you don't have to worry. They are working for you. So
Got it.
that's how you make money.
Let's think about someone who has a salary of say 50,000-60,000
Correct.
rupees. वो लोग 10,000 rupees के SIP कर रहे हैं.
तो उनको स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए, दिमाग नहीं लगाना
How
चाहिए
do you start?
इंडेक्स फंड में।
Index fund में कैसे डालते हैं?
आप किसी भी ऐप पे जाओ, म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनी के ऐप पे जाओ, और इंडेक्स फंड लिखा हुआ रहता है नाम,
Okay.
निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स फंड।
Can you name some apps for us?
ऑनलाइन ऐप्स,
Zerodha.
जीरोधा, ग्रो, ईटी मनी, बहुत सारे हैं।
Okay. And then you go and आप index fund में
बस निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स फंड नाम ही है, निफ्टी 50 द बेस्ट 50 कंपनीज ऑफ इंडिया। आप उसमें डाल के स्टार्ट करो,
okay.
एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट हो गया आपका। प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप उसको कितना लंबा चलाते हो, जितना लंबा चलाओगे उतना आपको रिजल्ट दिखेगा। बट मोस्ट पीपल दे स्टॉप इन फर्स्ट 2-3 years। अगर मार्केट जाते हैं, उनको लगता है अभी मार्केट जा रहे हैं, अभी बंद कर दो, दे कांट सी रिस्क।
In my case personally, we are invested in real estate and mutual funds.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स,
So there was a lot of conversation in family and friends about direct equity, which is stocks, right? That this stock grew by 200% or, itna return aa gaya and I told you to buy this, or there was this discussion and, that for 5 minutes you feel like, arey, even I should have done this. Along with mutual funds, I should have also bought some stocks. Anyways, I was putting money aside month by month. Why didn't I put some percent of that? Even 10% I could have put into direct stocks. But something that helps me and because this is dinner table conversation now, right? And I think today, especially the stock market is dinner table conversation because people have made enormous amounts of money, right? We've seen in our circles, we've seen lifestyles change. We've seen entire cars change
Yes.
overnight because of just the money that the stock market has made people.
Correct.
But something that I keep reminding myself is that this is not my job, right? Like, this is my job. Creating content is my job. Understanding the digital economy of India is my job. Understanding the power of social media is my job. If I start trading in stocks or, you know, किसी और के knowledge पे मैंने अपना पैसा लगा दिया, I'm making a mistake because that's not where I should be spending my time, right? Like you said, it's all about time.
You have said $1 million statement, right? $1 million. You are best at something, and if you focus your lives, your skills on there, you will make 100x money out of there. दुनिया में हमें सब काम जानना ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि किस काम के लिए कौन सही है. So suppose if I have
Yeah.
to create content tomorrow, if I try, I'll take 10 years, but if I come and seek your help, I'll do in 6 months because I'm leveraging on your experience, right? What you are doing, 90% people don't think. उनको लगता है कि पैसा तो मैं खुद मैनेज कर सकता हूँ, which you didn't. Generally what happens, 90% of our friends, we say, even if you are coming to me, you will not make money because you have 10 other advisors, your families, your friends. वो आपको लगेगा मासूम क्या तुम म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल रही हो, डायरेक्ट स्टॉक इतना अच्छा है उसमें डाल दो, and you'll get swayed by it. I'm glad you didn't get swayed. You were focused and you said, no, I'm happy this. But लोग पैसा निकाल के फिर स्टॉक्स में डाल देते हैं, क्रिप्टो में डाल देते हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज में डाल देते हैं,
Yeah.
बिकॉज उनको लगता है हम फास्ट बना सकते हैं. ग्रीड इज अ फैक्टर that makes you kind of go away from your plan, right? मैंने आज पिछले 15 साल में कैसे ये वेल्थ बनाई है मासूम, बिकॉज आई जस्ट हैड दैट बिग हेडेड डिसिप्लिन. My money is around 18% return for the last, let's say, 15 years. Even if you come tomorrow and tell me, Gajendra, I have a wonderful company and stock which will give you 25%, and I'm giving you guarantee, I'm still not going to touch it.
Why?
Because I'm happy with 15 to 18% return. I know this is in my control. Forget your mutual funds or equities. The maximum money you can earn is by your own skills, by what you're doing. Nobody can beat you that. Today, whatever you're earning, what stops you earning 100x from this level? Nothing. What stops me from taking my company to 100x from here? Nothing. So the best investment in the world is you will make through investing in yourself and the business that you're doing. What we are doing right now through mutual funds or equities is the next best investment, second best investment. And you can't compare the returns of the two. You are here with the investment that you spend investing in yourself, the next best will be this one. Today, even after 20 years, I'm spending 3 hours on knowledge. Every day for 3 hours. Because of knowledge, I'm able to last long. I'm able to come this far. So you have to invest in skills. The second best is mutual funds or equities where you're earning 18-20% return. But this can never become your number one. This can never become. There are a lot of people who think this way. People have stopped doing their businesses now. People in last 3-4 years in COVID, a lot of people have stopped their business and focusing full time on equities. That's a blunder they're doing. They have only seen one-way market. They've not seen the market crash. And
everything that goes up has to come down.
Has to come down. Market has a wonderful way of teaching everybody a lesson. The day you think you begin the markets, you're doomed. So I always feel I'm a student of the market. And that's why I'm happy with 15, 17%, 18% return, because it's in my control. So that's why anything that comes, anybody who comes and tell me 22, 25, my mind switches off.
Because you think
if it is too good to be true, it is not true. अगर ये 22% होता, वो मुझसे आके बोलो सारी दुनिया को पता होना चाहिए था. How come we have just figured it out today after 20 years, right?
So, on this point, what I also want to say is that what has really helped me with the SIP concept is that I'm not looking at the market.
It brings discipline in you.
It brings discipline.
Yes.
It brings a discipline of saving and investing. It's not even about ke, market mein itne paise kamaye, or it's frankly, yes, the goal is very important, but it is a matter of discipline. It is a matter of every month, no matter what, you have that commitment. And that's going towards your future. And that has changed my entire attitude on looking at money.
Correct.
Right? I feel so much more confident in the decisions I'm making in my business, because I know that, without you know as a couple, Sheldon and I, we made a huge financial decision right now. But why could we make it? We could make it because we had this security. We could make it because we had the last 4 years where we've been disciplined. So I almost believed in myself, right? Like when I was calling you, I believed that, even if I'm taking a risk right now, even if I'm taking a financial risk, to some extent, I believe in my discipline. I believe in myself that no matter what, I will make sure my future is secured.
Correct.
And I am confident to share this today is because I was the absolute opposite before.
Okay.
I was, when I came to you, I was the absolute opposite. I was so nervous. I would earn money and I would spend it on, frivolous. Now my friends and even my mom, she says, why don't you, which you will say is not a good thing, but she says that why don't you spend your money? But because I've been on the other end of the spectrum, I've seen so many instances around me where, there's been frivolous spending, and
Yeah.
when the time came, the money was not
Right.
there, when it was needed.
जब आज आप हार्ड एंड मनी कमा रहे हो, आई वुड लाइक यू टू स्पेंड, राइट? बट यू हैव टू मेक अ बैलेंस मासूम. ऐसा नहीं कि सारा स्पेंड आज कर दो एंड देन आई विल थिंक अबाउट टुडे. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग टुडे इज अ बैलेंस. यू आर सेविंग a decent amount of money or investing a decent, and you are saving also. See, money gives you confidence. A good health, a good body, good money in the bank or investment gives you confidence. You can walk away from the deals or situations you don't like.
But there is a misconception here,
Okay?
which is people believe that wearing the money gives you confidence. And I've lived both lives. I have spent, for that first 5 years when I was earning money, I spent it all on myself or things I was buying for myself, and it did not make me confident. But actually, investing the money has given me skyrocketing confidence.
Wow. Coming from you means a lot to me because
No, absolutely, you've enabled this for sure.
no, because what you said, the first thing was like sometimes a fake, right? In the sense you have to show off that you are rich,
Exactly.
right?
And people think that
And people think, yes, people think. But I can tell you today, the second part, where if you have money in your investment, you can walk away from the deals. We have many clients, I can tell you, where said we don't want to manage your money because our thought process are not matching. I can walk away because, it's like a relationship. Ours a relationship. Suppose there is a friction in the relationship. Do you think it will last long? Your expectations are different. My expectation is different, right? You want high returns, quick returns. And I say, Masoom, 15 साल कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. It won't work. Every day there will be friction. Then it's better to walk away from that relationship. How can I say no? And you are a big ticket investor. If I don't have enough, or if I'm not wealthy, or then I'll always try to pander to you. But if I know I have enough, I can work on my terms and conditions. I say, sorry, let's not work it. It's not working out. I'll help you find another advisor. But this is, I can walk away. I mean, you have seen in your professional life, there are deals, there are, engagements you are not very comfortable, but there's a lot of money. But the day you have enough wealth, you think, you can say, sorry, I can't work on this. That's the real confidence.
So, what is the difference between having income and building wealth?
See, having income is only when you're working, you'll have income. When you have wealth will get you income. You don't have to work for it. Technically, today at 44, I can retire. I have enough money which will last me forever. I can't even spend. So I can retire. I don't have to have an active income.
But is this because of how much money you've made?
Yes. Because
No, as in your business.
in my business, and now because that's invested, that passive income which I'll get is going to be massive. There's a thing called SWP. We just spoke about SIP. Not many people know about SWP. So abhi aap kya kar rahe ho? What you're doing right now for the last 5 years is SIP. You're building wealth. But 10 years later, suppose you build a very good corpus and you say, Gajendra, now, I don't want to work that hard. I want to go slow. I want to just work on few assignments, and my active income will drop by 80% because, I'm okay with that. I want to enjoy life. But आपका खर्चा तो एक set है. How you bridge the gap? But you have built assets now. So I says, don't worry, Masoom, we'll start SWP, Systemic Withdrawal Plan. Every month, आपको उसमें से इनकम आएगी. And I'll give you one example, okay? This is a real example. Suppose 22 years back, if you would have met and you came to me and said, Gajendra, I have 1 crore rupees. This is all I have. 22 years back, 1 crore was big amount. And you said, can you give me 75,000 rupees per month? So 75,000 per month into 12 months is 9 lakh. So you are withdrawing 9% of 1 crore is 9 lakh.
Correct.
Simple.
Correct.
You said, Gajendra, if you give me 75,000, I'm happy. My household expenses, everything would be taken care of. So I said, "Theek hai, Masoom, let's start." So 2002, we started 75,000 per month. Today, 22 years later, we are in 2024. 9 lakh is what you have withdrawn per annum into 22 years. Almost 2 crores is what you have withdrawn. How much you invested?
1.
1. How much you've enjoyed so far?
2 crores.
What do you think you are left with right now? Generally, you would think कि 1 crore रहेगा जो original है, because you would have enjoyed 9% as your interest पकड़ लो ये जो भी है. Today, Masoom, reality, you are sitting on a corpus of 48 crores rupees. 48 CR. Even after enjoying 2 crores for the last 22 years.
How?
How? Because for the last 22 years, this investment has earned 20-21% compounded return, while your withdrawal rate was 9%. तो जो आपने withdraw नहीं किया, वो compound होते गया. Now you have many options. Either you can entirely withdraw 48 crores, this is not locked in, or you can increase your SWP. You can withdraw 5 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, whatever you want. That's the power of SWP, which people, of course, this is historical. ये guarantee नहीं है कि future में repeat होगा. But you got my gist. People have been doing money. People, SWP.
This is a 20-21% return.
This was 20-21% return. This is actual returns.
And this is actual.
This has actually happened. This is not a hypothetical situation. But because as in mutual fund, we say past performance is no guarantee of future results. But 22 नहीं आया, but आपका 11-12% भी return आता है, and your withdrawal rate is 7-8%, still you are going to make a lot of money. So today, you know why I can take retirement? Because I can start SWP tomorrow. So after 5-7 years, when you build your corpus, you can say, Gajendra, can I get like 5 lakh rupees a month or 2 lakh or 3 lakh? It can start coming to you from day one. This is going to become a very big concept for India. And this is great for any person, women or anyone. So suppose right now you are doing SIP, suddenly there is a job loss, suddenly there is a business में आपको नुकसान हो गया, income नहीं आ रहा है. You can start SWP from next day onwards. You don't have to wait till retirement. And
Very interesting. I didn't know this.
you can start and you can stop. So let's say in 12 months you didn't have work in COVID. So and if your corpus was 1 crore, I'm just giving a random example. He said, Gajendra, I need 2 lakh rupees every month, right? Okay, so for this 1 year, let's start withdrawing 2 lakhs as SWP. The moment your income came back, you can stop your SWP. It's like a tap on, tap off.
So what is compounding, right? And I think there's a lot spoken about it, but still not understood very.
See, compounding is, to me, it is, as I said, it's the 8th wonder of the world, as Albert Einstein says. Basically, money works for money. I'll give you an example. So suppose, let me play a game with you. Suppose you have given me 100 rupees, okay? 10% interest. So what, every year, how much? You've given me 100, how much I have to pay you every year then?
110.
So 10 rupees every year as interest, right? So if you are playing simple interest game, every year I'll pay you 10 rupees. My principal remains 100. ठीक है? You understand this? 10 साल बाद में मैं आपको 10 रुपए दूंगा. I'll give you 10 rupees. But if I say, Masoom, let's change the game. I will not pay you interest, but you will charge me interest on interest. So next year 110 was there. Second year के बाद, I'm paying 10% on 110.
110.
Then how much I'm paying?
11.
So 111 rupees I'm paying interest. 110 plus 11 is 121. Third year?
You're paying 10% on 121.
Correct. How much that comes to?
12.1.
12.1. Add 12.1 to 121, 132.32, whatever. Then again 10% on 132.
Got it. 13.2.
13.2. So keep adding. तो 4-5 years में आप कर लोगे, उसके बाद our human mind will not be able to do calculations. Because human mind, you will need calculator.
Correct.
Because you will need calculator, you are not able to think in your mind, you're not able to fathom it, and that is why people don't understand the power of compounding. So in 5 years, we are not able to calculate. Let's say
Yes. Absolutely. It takes time to
It takes time.
math.
And जो चीज़ हमारे दिमाग समझ नहीं पाती है, हम विजुलाइज नहीं कर पाते हैं. Compounding is that our mind is not able to visualize it, and that is why many people don't get it. But look at the power of this कि 10वें साल में जो ग्रोथ आएगी, it is going to be massive, 10-15 years, right? So it's like that chess example. I don't know if you have heard this story. So there was a king in a
Castle.
this thing castle, and there's a chessboard, and somebody asked the king, can you give me 1 grain per square? So first 1 grain, 2 grain, 4 grain, 8 grains per square. There were 64 squares on the chessboard. The king said it's very easy, but the king ran out of entire stock of the world, and I think 32nd square itself, 32nd, 34th square, because every double that you're doing in every square, it becomes massive. 1 का 2, 2 का 4, 4 का 8, 8 का 16, 24. After 24 such counts, it becomes a huge number. So people are not able to understand. On paper, it looks very easy.
So that's why it's called the magic
It is the
of compounding.
it is the biggest invention that has happened in mathematics. इसके ऊपर invention नहीं हुआ है. That's why out of 100 people, 1% people know compounding. And you know what's the surprising part? 1% of the 1% people actually practice compounding. Knowing and practicing is again very difficult.
So compounding will only come in if you are invested for the longer term, right?
Yes. So I give you this example. What is compounding? If you love driving cars, right? Speed cars. 0 to 60, you will take 10 seconds. 60 to 120, it will take 3 seconds. This is compounding. Because now the vehicle is in motion. You are already in speed. It works anything in life. You do exercise every day. You will be able to do 20 push-ups, 40 push-ups, 50 push-ups. You build endurance. I can't do this then, because I've not been doing it for years. So everything in the world is nothing but an example of compounding. Relationships, right?
Yeah.
Investments, everything is an example of compounding. Things doesn't happen overnight. It took me 20 years to build this corpus, and it will take me 5 years to double from here.
So, in our first meeting, you showed me something that has really stuck with me. And I'm going to take that image from you and paste it here. But you showed me the graph going up and down. But it went up and down. But
The trend is always up.
can you talk about that?
Yeah. So generally we believe the more up and down, the more you make money. The more volatile the market. If the market is only going one way up, your wealth will become slow. I mean, you'll make slow wealth. So this is so counterintuitive. I tell people, if markets are only going one way up,
Yeah, you would think कि इसमें मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा profit इसमें है.
इसमें दिखेगा, but
Yeah.
actually सबसे slow wealth वहाँ बनेगा. Because every month when you're buying at a high rate. If markets are going one way up, every month that you're adding at high rate. Do you really want to add at a high rate? Actually, if you are adding every month, you want the markets to go down, you are adding at low prices, right? So markets in the long term will always go uptrend. If India is supposed to do well, the trend is this. But it will not one straight line. It will always be this. Like COVID aaya, suddenly it crashed. What do good investors do? They stock up when market is down by 40%. Right? But I know this will not remain down permanently. It will go back. So the long-term trend line will always be up, which is around 14-15% return, 13% return. But so I always tell markets in the long term will give you anywhere from 12 to 14% return. I don't know when. It might so happen that the 4 years when you invested, you were unlucky and markets didn't give any returns. And 5th year, markets went up by 100% and the 5-year average was 15%. But आपने 4 साल रखा और उसके बाद पैसे निकाल लिए, you didn't make money. So you have to remain invested throughout.
And you have to believe in that.
You have to believe in that. Most people, the challenge is they stop believing when markets are going down. सारे convictions खत्म हो जाते हैं. I could have a conviction because I've spent 20 years. I know how cycles work. And my job as an advisor, Masoom, is not to tell you which is the best fund. I can't predict that. I can't tell you when markets are high or when markets are down. My job is to just make you last there for 20 years, 15 years until you have achieved your goals. The day you tell me, Gajinder, my goal was this, to buy a dream house, and I know if the money is ready, I'll say, Masoom, isko nikal lo, go and buy that dream house of yours. So I have to just make you sit there
And make sure you
you are invested until your goal is achieved. So for with all our clients, all our investors, retail said, don't worry about money. Somehow we have cracked this formula. Paisa ban jayega. We'll all make a lot of money if we just behave rightly. But what about health? And that's why today my biggest concern or biggest focus is health part. That's why, and this money gives me that confidence. The wealth that I've created, I don't want to do any work which is stressful. I may work hard. Hard is different from working under stressful conditions, right? So that's why I live very close by to my house. I come to home for lunch because you want to increase the longevity of your life, right? Earlier, मैं ना सुबह शाम
But your job is very stressful, right?
No, not at all. I don't look at the markets. Suppose on day one, if you come to me and say, Gajendra, मुझे wealth बनाने है, Masoom, you have to give minimum 5 years. Don't even look at me. Don't even talk to me. 5 साल में कुछ नहीं होएगा. मतलब market ऊपर जाएंगे नीचे. I'm preparing you. Why I take a time to prepare you in the first meeting? Because if you don't understand in the first meeting, you will keep getting nervous, right? So I tell you, first 5 years you will not make money. Your money will, see, if you want your 100 to become 200, be prepared to first see 80. If you are not prepared to see 80, it will not become 200. So I'm preparing you in the first meeting. So when, suppose after 6 months happens, I'll tell you, Masoom, I told you so. Right? So,
Yeah.
So that's why we take time in the first 2 meetings so that you are prepared.
How important is your mindset in this?
Everything is about mindset only.
Hmm.
Nothing else. All you are doing is coaching. This coaching is all about to train your mindset.
So you always had this mindset. What was it like for you? Where did that kind of shift come in?
So, in 2010, I wanted to make quick wealth. I did future and options and leverage. I lost 50 lakhs. Then I realized fast money nahi banta hai. Today, I know. So, see, I'm talking about 100 crores. Of course, my target is 100 crores, but I know one day this 100 crore will become 1,000 crores or 2,000 crores because I've now known the formula. It's just to give enough time. So you don't have to change the formula. So at the moment you have 100 crores, it's not I'll change my formula. I'll just be as it is. If the same formula has worked, why it will not work beyond also? But 100 crore के बाद मुझे पैसों के लिए काम नहीं करना. मतलब there's no other target. It will automatically become. But I won't change the formula. Because focus and simplicity. See, Steve Jobs, I'm a big fan of Steve Jobs. He says, just keep your focus on. 99% people, why people don't achieve? Because what you're doing, you kept your focus on. And that's why you are who you are today. In our industry, people just change the focus. अच्छा अभी हम इतने बड़े हो गए, अब हम प्रॉपर्टी में कर लेते हैं. Now I do some fancy stuff. Fancy is not good. Simple is something that creates wealth for you. Any decision that I take in life, I always look from the lens of simplicity, Masoom. And whatever we have come this far is only because of focus. Month on month, kept on doing SIP, good markets, bad markets, doesn't matter.
It's just discipline.
Just dalte jao. You will beat 99.9% investors on this planet. 99.9. Even on your own. You don't need me. I mean, I'm just giving an example. Nobody needs an advisor. If all our viewers can do SIP in an index fund for 20 years, they would beat 99% of investors on this planet. But problem kya hai?
They would beat 99.
99% investors, their fellow kind of friends or this thing.
Because there's a speculation.
Because all others want fast lane. You've been to airports. There are many queues, right? Suppose you are here and the other queue is shorter. What do you try to do?
You go there.
That's a mistake all of us make in lives. We are always looking for that fast hack ki yaar, kahan fast bana sakte hain? The moment this grid comes in, nothing happens there. If you just stay consistent, you'll make a lot of money. But when everything in the world around you is going faster or appear to be going faster, it's very difficult to remain consistent.
I think we're there right now. I think right now is the time to say it because everything is moving so fast around us. And every industry is booming.
Correct. So at least with your money, I can say, Masoom, relax, don't worry. If crypto is going on this and don't worry. Your goals and everything will be met by this. See, this is the role of a good advisor, to just calm you, to make you, to make you understand. On our own, it might be very difficult to do it. So it takes 20 years to build wealth, but it takes 25 years to know कि it takes 20 years to build wealth. Right? लोगों को 20 साल बाद समझ में आता है कि यार हमने क्या गलती की है. So इसीलिए many times people who come from finance industry to us and अपना पैसा देते हैं, we said sorry, we can't manage money for you because you think you're from finance field, you think and because you have a baggage, it is very difficult to clean your thought process and start. We can't manage their money. There'll always be friction. Today, because you trust me, see, you trust me. You say, Gajendra bhai, I don't know anything about this and I trust you. The moment you say these words, मेरी रातों की नींद उड़ जाती है. Because now you're trusting me. How can I let you down? How can I go wrong? मेरा पैसा अगर down भी चला जाए, it's okay, I'm not answerable. But for your money, I'm answerable to you now. Your dreams, everything is at stake, right? And now the corpus is becoming larger. I have to think 10 times what I'm doing with your money. Trust is a big thing. So that is why we want to keep it simple so that we don't let it go down. If you've come to me, listen to me.
Got it.
Come to me with your problem statement. Gajendra, I want this in life. I want this in life. Let's write it down. I believe in the power of writing. If you write it down, Gajendra, 10 years down the line, I want this. And I will also write down, Masoom, ye guaranteedly ho jayega. If we both follow this process. The problem is 90% don't follow it. As in, they change the problem statement after 5 years. You know what is the biggest problem in many people's lives? We are moving our goal post all the time.
So true.
Right?
So true.
आज ये घर लेना था, कल चेंज हो गया, नहीं अब ये नहीं ये, अब ये नहीं ये. Then we'll never be happy.
Because our exposure has tripled, right?
Correct.
And I think you're witnessing so much moving so fast that you get shaky.
You get shaky. I understand. But see, how much is enough? Where do you stop? Someday you have to draw this, right? So I know 100 crore is enough for me. This house is enough or whatever. Rolls Royce, my dream car was always Rolls Royce. उसके पहले भी कोई गाड़ी नहीं, उसके बाद भी कोई गाड़ी नहीं. But I know where to stop. I know, even in my business also, I know where to stop. I know for whom to work at some stage of life. And I'm lucky that I've got that clarity. But until we have this clarity, we'll keep on running around after things. We'll never be happy. कितना भी पैसा हम कमा लें, we'll never be happy. See, for me, as an advisor, the making money is half the job. Making you use this money, spend this money for the purpose is the remaining half. If I'm not able to make you spend and see smile, तो फिर what's the purpose?
That's the thing, right? With money, I think you're so focused on making it and growing it, you forget to enjoy it.
Correct. So we have a client, 75-year-old lady, widow. Husband was in United Nations, passed away. She had 2 crores of assets, all in direct stocks, which husband was managing. Now husband is not there. She doesn't know what to do. She came to me through a referral and she didn't know anything about stocks or mutual funds. I says, look, we don't do direct stocks. We only know mutual funds. So we can put in a mutual fund and we can start SWB for you, right? It's been 7 years now, Masoom. Start with 2 crores. Every month now she's withdrawing 2.3 lakhs rupees right now. Still, she's having 4 crores of assets in her corpus. Okay. Every time she comes to our office, once in a year, she lives in Hyderabad. Once in a year she comes. Every time she comes, she cries. She says, I can't tell you how much confidence today I have in you guys. You made my life so easy. So this is the real work. And I can tell you countless such stories that we face.
So how many clients of yours are women? I mean, what is your percentage like? Is it more men?
Of course, it's more men, which is not which is unfortunate in our country because ऐसा नहीं कि खाली men पैसा कमा रहे हैं, women also earning money. But in all our conversations, we ask men, please get your spouse in the first meeting. It's very important because as a man, if you're coming, then we are discussing only your goals. We are not discussing your wife's goals. We are not discussing our goals. You have a family And secondly, you are earning everything for the family. I know it's all with good intent. All of us are earning for our family only. But if your family is not involved, and if something were to happen to you, how do they come to know? उनको पता ही नहीं होगा मैं कौन हूँ, right? Why don't you get your family? But कितना भी समझा दें, still 50% people don't get it. बोलते नहीं 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 मैं सब संभाल लूंगा, मैं कर लूंगा. This overconfidence, bias kind of thing. But we believe that today women has to be very actively involved. और ये जो भी हमने बातें की है कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. It's simple, easy. In fact, if it becomes a family goal, family will commit to it. Today you and Shailin both discuss, right? ऐसा नहीं होता कि मैं खाली आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ या शालिन से. It's both. It's a family goal for your children's planning, for anything that you want to do. And I will get your perspective, I'll get Shailin's, and then I have to make sure we are all on the same page. अगर आप इस तरफ जा रहे हो वो इस तरफ जा रहे हैं ना, तो it will become very difficult. I have to bring you both on the same page. It becomes family's goals. So women has to be involved in this. And जितना जल्दी आप करोगे उतना it will give you confidence. Today I can see you as a confident because you don't have to worry about money. You know, in 5-10 years it will create wealth. Compounding will happen with you, right? It's just that you have to be there. One day my dream is, can I inspire 1 billion people through this story? पहले millions था, right? But अब story का power पता चलता है कि story has immense power. True stories can travel like anything. So if this true story can inspire 1 billion people, this life would have been a great life. And it's not for money. It's beyond upon, neither you're doing for money nor I'm doing for money. Neither you're doing for fame. It's about giving back to society. Everything I've got is from this city, wonderful city of Mumbai, right? I was nothing. Everything I've got is because of this wonderful profession. And that is why to me, this is a very noble profession. Many people say, see, अगर 3 साल में आपने मैंने काम किया, forget returns. If by doing this, if it has brought in a lot of confidence in you, my job is done.
It's a job well done. Absolutely.
Agree? I have brought confidence in someone's life. कि
Absolutely.
you are so confident about your own well-being. So then it is done. ये returns 14 आया कि 16 आया, 18 doesn't.
It's irrelevant.
It's irrelevant. Today, if you're able to buy your own house with the money you have saved and this thing, that's the smile I can see on your face, right? So what I've done, let's say with you, और अभी तो बहुत छोटा सा काम किया आपके लिए, it's a long way to go to help you achieve many more dreams in life. Can this be done with lakhs of people, men, women, whosoever? See, finally, it is. हम सब अपने लिए तो सब करते हैं. But if you're able to do this for others, before this business, I was in my family business. Every business makes money, right? पैसा बनाना खराब नहीं है. But if in that business, if you're working in that business only for money, it's a very bad idea. But if it is your ikigai, which is what the world needs, what you're good at, and what you can be paid for.
But for people to be able to find that is not always the easiest.
It's never easy. How do you find a good doctor? Right? It's never easy. How do you reach out to me? It's word of mouth. In our business also, it's only word of mouth. And we would want that way. Because, somebody who comes from word of mouth, you also enjoy advising that person. Because that person has come through right source. So it's, as I said, beyond a point, you want the power of your work to travel.
Yeah.
The trust. And this business is all about trust. Right? So बस वही simple तरीके से काम करना है. Through your story, how many stories you can inspire. And idea is, can you create many more idiots in the future?
Yeah.
So this Rolls Royce and everything is just this thing. I'm not a car fan. I'm not going to drive. I don't have a car today also. I come in a public transport or Uber or whatever. I'm okay. See, for me, 100 crores is not a status symbol. It is just to prove a point कि पैसा बन सकता है. Even a common person can think of. और simple तरीके से बन सकता है. SIP करके बन सकता है. You don't need to know stocks. See, I'm a CFA, charter holder, right? आप बोलते हैं गजेंद्र, आई तो ठीक है, I'm into fashion and this thing, मुझे नहीं, but आप क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो स्टॉक? अगर मेरे म्यूचुअल फंड्स मुझे 15-18% दे सकते हैं, why go become greedy? So the game that I've understood is the power of compounding by having slow returns for the longest period of time.
And with discipline.
And with discipline. focus and discipline is what has kept me going this far. And that is why nothing shakes me today. Whether markets are up 30% or 40% down, up, it doesn't, I don't get bothered also. I can go for 3-month holidays and not even look at it. So I'm very happy in life. I know my goals, priorities very clear. See, for first thing is to get clarity in life. That is very important. Clarity about what you want in life from yourself and about money related stuff also. If you keep moving things, you'll not be happy. So yeah, so this is what it is for me.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time and for your guidance for years.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.